Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is Tahini Glazed Chicken Wings. We're doing game day eats today, and we're doing chicken wings, of course, because you need chicken wings on game days. But I'm tired of buffalo, I'm tired of barbecue. That's not entirely true. I just needed to get a little bit more creative. So today we're making a tahini glaze to put on the outside of our chicken wings. We've got about 2 pounds of chicken wings here. We're just gonna hit them with some olive oil. And then we're gonna season them up really simply with our Cattleman's Grill Lone Star, which is a brisket rub, but honestly it's just salt, pepper, garlic, and celery. So it works for pretty much anything. We're cooking on the Yoder Smokers pellet grill today. This is the 640. It's running at 450 degrees. Got the grill grates installed and direct grilling. So we can go right on here with a little bit of duck fat underneath just to make sure we don't get any sticking. This glaze has 4 simple ingredients. It's got the tahini, obviously, but equal parts maple syrup to sweeten things up. We're gonna get a little bit of Sriracha in there as well, and some tamari, but you could also use soy sauce. So we're gonna reduce this down just a little bit to thicken it up. We'll start with 2 tablespoons of the tahini, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of tamari, and then as much Sriracha as you feel comfortable putting in there. I'll do about a tablespoon. Bring this up to a simmer and just reduce it briefly for about 5 minutes until it's thickened. So it doesn't take long. Once you can be able to pull your spatula through and it slowly closes in behind it, you know that it's thickened. You get some good color. Usually what I do with chicken wings is once I've got them flipped, I'm gonna leave the lid open to make sure I can get some good color on the opposite side without overcooking them. If you got some pale ones like this one right here, you can move that closer to the fire. These wings are looking beautiful, great char. Internal temperatures up around 175, 180, which is where I like my wings. Time to take them off and toss them in the sauce. Wings into the bowl. Sauce into the bowl, and we'll give it a toss. Just get them fully coated, and we're gonna serve them up with some rice. Pop those on top of some rice. Bonus. Get some of that excess sauce and throw it on top of your rice, and hit it with some green onions. After the bite. I'm a flat man. I love these cooked to a little bit higher temp than we would normally cook chicken, because it takes them longer to break down than a lot of the other pieces of chicken. That's just the right amount of tenderness. That's just the right amount of flavor and spice for me. Gotta love the chili crunch on top. But overall what you're getting is that tamari flavor that almost feels like a peanut sauce, especially with the soy sauce in there, with the sweetness of the maple syrup in there. This is next level for your next game day. Give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.